In this example, we're going to look at something called a two-way contingency table. And a two-way contingency table just contains probabilities broken into categories. So notice this table, we have number of children, whether someone has of age 0, 1, or 2, or 3 or more children. And here's the ages, under 20, 20 to 29, and 30 and above. And the probabilities out to the side. So the following two-way contingency table gives the breakdown of the population of married or previously married women beyond childbearing age in a particular locale according to age at first marriage and number of children. Oh, okay. So this is the age of the parent the mother when they first got married, and the number of children that they had. So a woman is selected at random. Find the probability of each of the following. So we first want to find the probability that the woman was in her 20s at her first marriage. All right. So in her 20s would be between the ages of 20 and 29. So let's notice this is this row right here. So to find that probability that someone was in their 20 to 29 range, we need to add up all of the things that are in this row. So 0.07, 0.37, 0.11. All right, so let's go back here. And I believe I've written the correct numbers. Yeah, 073711. Yeah. All right, so this is the probability. Oops. Woman was in her 20s. We'll just call it that. And let's add that up. And that probability is 0.55. All right. So now, let's go back. Now we want the probability the woman was 20 or older at her first marriage. Okay, so 20 or older are going to be both the 20 to 29-year-olds and the 30 and above. So we're looking at both of these rows. Now we already added up that first row, so let's just use that number rather than rewriting these three numbers, but let's add to it 0.10, 0.10, and 0.01. All right, so we're looking at the probability that a woman was 20 or older. And we have the 0.55 plus a 0.10, another 0.10, and a 0.01. And I believe if we add all that up, that's 0.76. All right, so let's look at our next one. We want to find the probability that the woman had no children. All right, so no children, notice that here's our number of children. There's 0 children right there. We're looking at everybody who is in this column. These are the women who had no children. So let's add up this column of no children. 0.02, 0.07, and 0.10. So the probability of no children, 0.02, 0.07, and 0.10. Let me just double check that I wrote the wrong number, or the right numbers, 02, 07, 10. All right, so that gives us 0.19. And then let's go to the last one there. There's an E, but nothing written there. I'm not sure what happened there. The woman was in her 20s at her first marriage and had at least 3 children. Okay, so we're looking for a woman in her 20s. That puts us into this row from 20 to 29 and had at least 3 children. We have to go over here. This is 0 children. This is 1 or 2 children. But if we look in this column, these are the people who had 3 or more children. So that probability is 0.11. So the probability, woman in 20s with at least 3 children was 0.11. And there you have it.